Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the DAX futures. Today is Thursday, February 1st. Time is around 6 p.m. GMT. So, yesterday, as a reaction to the Fed decision, we had some sell off here, although today we saw an upward move, or at this very moment an upward move is going on. So let's have a look how we could interpret this. For now, I would look at the 1 hour time frame, the lower time frame. This weekend I will make a higher time frame analysis. But so this here was our wave 3 high. We made a corrective move, probably our wave 4, as you can see here, after a WXY correction. And then from this low here, we did an upward move, taking out the wave 3 high right here. So we took it slightly out, but we took it out. So now the question is, what exactly are we seeing here? First of all, if this is an impulse, then it could be that this here is actually our fifth wave. We fulfilled the minimum requirements, which is taking out the wave 3 high. And so this is what we did here in the DAX. Does that mean it has to be the wave 5? No, the wave 5 can go higher. So then it would mean that the structure right here could be the wave 1 of the wave 5 as shown here in green. So then what we need is, after this wave 1, we need a wave 2 down, and then 3, 4, 5. That's something that is possible, and I will discuss this in more depth in my higher time frame analysis. So this could be the fifth wave, or this could be the wave 1 of the wave 5. Two possibilities here in the bullish scenario. But this is under the assumption that the structure we are seeing here is an impulse. So here in the 1 hour and in the 4 hour, it could be an impulse, but in earlier videos, I already shared with you some concerns I have about the sub waves here. The only way I succeed in making this an impulse is to count this as one wave, while I look at the subwaves, this looks more as two waves. So this here, two separate waves, a first wave and a second wave. Then we also have to put two running flat structures running flat as a wave 2, like this, 1, 2, 3, and a running flat structure as a wave 4, 1, 2, 3, like this. So from an Elliott wave point, this is possible, but it is quite uncommon to have two running flat structures in an impulsive structure, but it is possible. So putting this all together, this could be an impulse, but I just shared some concerns with you of this being an impulse, the reasons why I am concerned. And so if this is not an impulse, it could be something corrective. And then if it is something corrective, it could be an overshooting wave B, which would mean that we will still take out the low right here. Then we got something like this, A, B, C, or I mean 1, 2, 3 as a wave A, overshooting wave B, and then from here we need an impulse down. That's also a possibility. But okay, more on that during my video on the higher time frame. Now, let's have a look at what we are seeing right here from the high. So we had kind of a sell-off, although today we made some part of this sell-off already good. And so now the question is, what exactly are we looking at? So first of all, if this is an impulse here in the wave 1 scenario, so that this impulse here is a wave 1 of wave 5, then it could be that we are working on this wave 2, and this wave 2 has to be something corrective. A wave 2 is corrective, and so then this structure here could be something corrective. Can be an A, B, C down going to our target area, or it could also be a WXY structure. That's also a possibility. Now, if we have an ABC, then I would like to see here 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it would mean we still need a 5th wave down to finish the wave A. I do not really believe, or I prefer to interpret what we have so far. I prefer to interpret this as 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, but then it can still be a WXY structure. So here for now, I put the 5 waves down. As you can see, this here is our wave 4 area. So if we take the length here of our wave 3, then we know that the wave 4 should go into the area between the 0.146 and the 0.618 FIB retracement. And as you can see, we touched this extreme boundary earlier today, and also now just we touched it again here, this 0.618 FIB retracement level. So for an ABC structure, I would like to see a 5th wave down before going up again as a wave B, and then another wave C down. What's also a possibility that we do a WXY, and then what we will see is 1, 2, 3 down. Then here we will get something messy as a wave X structure, and then a Y leg down in 3, 1, 2, 3. That's also a possibility. And finally, the last possibility. So as I show you, here is my wave 2 target area, and this target area we can find by taking the length of our wave 1, and then we know that the wave 2 goes into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. However, this is a guideline. So what could happen? Actually, from this high, we already have 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3. So in a very bullish scenario, it could mean that the wave 2 was in right here, and that would mean that this low has to hold and that we have to see another impulse from here. But for now, I prefer to stick to the guidelines, and so therefore we would expect, if we have a wave 2, that the wave 2 goes into this area by doing an ABC correction or by doing a WXY correction. That's also a possibility. And finally, to conclude, if we have the bearish scenario right here with the overshooting wave B, then we need an impulse here down. So we need this 5th wave down, because we need a wave C starts with a wave 1 down, which would mean we need a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave C. Okay, that's it for now. This is what I see. And like I said, this weekend I will come up with a higher time frame analysis. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you this weekend for another video on the DAX. Have a nice day. Bye bye.